Hey, welcome to Story Treehouse with Priscilla. Aren't we excited for a new story today? So let's get started. Mrs. Bruno's Pies. Mrs. Bruno baked delicious hot apple pies. Everyone eagerly waited for her apple pies, and before anyone could realize, they were over. Mrs. Bruno soon became famous. But Mrs. Bruno was worried. What should I do? I love baking apple pies, but when I go to answer the door or pick up the phone, the pies in the oven get burned. My shop is so far that by the time I walk the distance, the pies become cold. She lamented. She thought over her problem. I think I'll have to stop baking pies, she decided. The customers were very disappointed to hear that there would be no more pies. When they came to know why, they came up with a bright idea. They would come to Mrs. Bruno's house to collect the hot, delicious pies. Mrs. Bruno was very happy. Please like, subscribe, and share this video for more enchanting tales. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey.